Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to place an order on Aliexpress without paying. It's me on without paying. It's not for free because some people he thinking a free product. Don't worry, I mean for without paying. It's for example for a dropshipper people when he waiting for a seller to reduce the price. Then guys, I will show you step by step how to place an order without no payment. As you see guys, it's very easy. So let's get started. First guys, open your Aliexpress account. Then after you creating your account and verified with your email address and your phone number, then I will show you a simple example to make an order without no payment. This one. Then open your product. Then wait a few seconds guys to make an order without no payment. For example, this product, if you want to pay to make the order, first you need to select the size, for example, and the category that you want or the color that you want. Then guys, you need to scroll down to under shipping. There is buy now. Then buy now. Then guys, add and click on buy now. Then it will take you automatically to payment section. Then the first one, it's for shipping address. Then you can, for example, as a drop shipping, you need to add the address and shipping address of your buyer. Then guys, the payment method, you need to select the payment method. Then for example, you need to add a new card, but on this step make sure to add for example a fake card or a suggested card. For example, I will give you an example, then I will put it in description. You can use it to make an payment and make an order without payment. For example, for card number, I have already card number. Copy this card number, then go and paste it. Then guys, go and the name, for example, and paste the name. Then you need to add the year and month. Then 27. Then guys, add 10. Then 27. Then scroll to 27. Then select 27. Then you need to add CVV number, the last one. Then add the CVV number. Then guys, paste it. Then save and confirm. When you click and save and confirm, it will take automatically that your order it's not correctly paid. Then guys, go directly to your Aliexpress account. Then open your order. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then open your account section. I have already opened my account. Then guys, open your account section. Then scroll to my order. Then select my order. Then guys, wait a few seconds. Then it will take you automatically to unpaid order. Then guys, click on pay now. Then automatically it will appear that your order not correctly paid. Then it will take it to your order section. Then guys, wait to make your payment failed. Just go to your order section on your account. As you see guys, your order it will appear on your order section. Then you can wait for the seller, for example, to reduce your price as a dropshipper. Then if you don't have a money on your card, you can wait to get money. Then you can make the order because the price, for example, it's good to buy it. Then it's very easy. After you get reduce the price, you can pay now and add your new card. As you see guys, it's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.